In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link ManyChat with ConvertKit, two powerful tools that can help you streamline your marketing efforts and improve your customer engagement. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive in. ManyChat is an amazing platform that allows you to create chatbots for Facebook Messenger and Instagram, while ConvertKit is a fantastic email marketing service. Combining these two can enhance your communication strategy and boost your efficiency. To get started, you'll want to log into both your ManyChat and ConvertKit accounts. If you haven't signed up for these platforms yet, take a moment to create your accounts. It's quite simple and user-friendly. Once you're logged in, I recommend keeping both tabs open so you can easily switch back and forth as we set this up. The first step is to prepare your ConvertKit settings. Head over to your ConvertKit dashboard and navigate to the API section within your account settings. You will need the API key to link ManyChat and ConvertKit. Once you've located the API key, go ahead and copy it. Next, let's move to ManyChat. On your ManyChat dashboard, you'll find a section labeled Integrations. Click on that and then look for ConvertKit in the list of available integrations. Once you find it, click on it and you should see an option to connect your ConvertKit account. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the API key that you copied earlier. Paste the API key into the designated field and click Connect. Once you've successfully connected ManyChat to ConvertKit, you'll have the option to set up automation rules. This is where the magic happens. Think about what kind of user interactions you want to capture and how you'd like to manage your email list. For instance, you might have a flow that triggers whenever someone subscribes via your chatbot. It's a fantastic way to grow your email list effortlessly. To set up these user interactions in ManyChat, go to the Automation tab and create a new flow. Within this flow, you can design how users interact with your chatbot. As you build the flow, you can add triggers. Let's say someone responds to a particular message or clicks a button. This could be the moment to capture their information. Now, you will want to link this interaction to ConvertKit. In your flow, look for the option to Add an Action. This will allow you to select Add to ConvertKit. From there, you can choose the specific form or tag you previously set up in ConvertKit where you want to send the user's details. Be sure to include any relevant fields such as their name and email address. This way, you'll have all their information neatly organized in your ConvertKit account. After you've set everything up, make sure to test the flow. Testing is crucial to ensure that everything works smoothly. Once you're done setting up your automation, consider sending a test message through your chatbot. This is your opportunity to see if the data is correctly sent to ConvertKit and shows up as expected. Don't forget to monitor the performance and interactions in both platforms. Analyze how users are engaging with your chatbot and which emails are effectively converting. This ongoing evaluation can help you tweak your strategies and improve user engagement even further. And there you go. You've successfully linked ManyChat with ConvertKit and set up a seamless way to manage your leads and engage with your audience. Remember, combining these tools can significantly streamline your marketing efforts and create a better experience for your users. If you found this helpful,